having a wonderful day, making some really good trades as per usual. Let's dive into some analysis here. So, short term, short term price action looks like we ended up continuing down here. As I feared, it definitely was breaking down lower. We took out our initial buy area, got invalidated, and now we're getting a pretty big bounce. Now, we're getting our initial bounce here. It is looking pretty good for correction higher. Now, what I am looking for is a rejection between the 112 to 114,500 area. So in between this area, you may start to grab liquidity at 112, 113. This is where the area of resistance that we need to breach if you're going to invalidate the setup and continue to extend the C and possibly even put us in a WXY with another ABC, right? So there's lots of possible ways this could go. This can continue to correct up higher. We're still in this X, we could still be, in this X. Could have ended here, and we're going to get this correction down. We are starting to see some signals that are flashing warning signs to us, right? There are some warning signs out there that are, pretty concerning, right? There's, right here, the cross X indicator, or a new indicator, showing a sell signal. We got the same signal before this massive crash down, before this sell off here, and there was a few other ones as well, right? So we gotta really want to pay attention to this here, because if we come back up, we tag this cloud area here of resistance, we don't breach it, and we get rejected, that's a warning sign, guys. That's a warning sign that maybe the market is going to get a big bout of selling in not only stocks, but in crypto as well, right? And this could be healthy, right, for a bigger correction lower to help us to go higher down the road, right? So we're not just there yet. We're not there yet. We've got to be patient and let things play out. I'm showing this as a WXY. Could easily make it an ABC. Doesn't really matter, right? Doesn't really matter. And that's why I'm looking for this impulse lower. Now, if it moves in 3, like it goes, that's this ABC 5, and then it bounces again, and then you get another crash, then yeah, you know what? You're gonna have to do an ABC. But for now, I'm charting it as an impulse. But we could remove the labelings later on. Leaving this box up here just in case we decide to correct back up. And at the same time, looking at market cipher, the daily obviously looking pretty rough. Bearish dual bid strength index numbers, 12-hour time frame, 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame looking okay for a bounce higher here. We still got green money flow, printing some green dots. It's that weekly, I think, that is looking a little bit rough here in terms of the momentum waves, but the money flow is still good. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I think the 12 hours is okay. It's not like the end of the world right now, but yeah, you definitely have some red money flow on the 1-hour time frame. Now, this is what you want to pay attention for, right? Pretty important on the 1 hour. We've seen this before, where the red money flow does not trend higher. It stays stagnant, but the momentum climbs up and the price climbs up. And then you see like a rollover, right? Then you see a red cross up here, or a red dot up here. This is your sign that basically it's some sort of manipulated move. Money has not really entered the market. It's being pushed up artificially. And then you're going to see a big crash, because this thing is going to come down, and then you'll see money flow expand to the downside. Okay? So that's what you want to pay attention for. That could easily happen. The wave edge, not really giving us some positive signs. This red cross definitely told us that we're going to see more downside here, and it definitely did play out. Shorter term, you're starting to see a green cross up here on Bitcoin, and on the, we could easily come back up. That's why I said we probably need to come back up, reset, reload, get everybody bullish again. And again, trust me, I'm bullish. I'm still bullish on the macro. Just the micro is shifting towards the downside. Now, we were already looking, for a possible rejection here. We didn't even get that. Now, could we still get it? Yes, because this can morph in all sorts of ways. we are in the middle area in the connector, and it's extremely difficult to trade. We're in the chop, it's in the shit, it's not easy. If it was easy, we'd be all rich, right? You could even do this, right? And this is a WXY, right? This becomes a WXY, more complex correction, and it keeps. And look how many fucking lines I got over here. I probably shouldn't be swearing, since YouTube, is gonna ban me again. They actually deleted my channel. They said by accident, and then they reinstated it. But now I get almost no more views, no more likes, and it's really kind of their fault because I don't know what they did with the algo. But now I'm kind of like banned from like being seen here or being recommended. So I don't know what I did wrong. But regardless, right now this is what's happening, and I think that if this happens, then it'll be an even better short opportunity. But we'll see when we get there. Okay. All right. Peace.